for 15 years. We just had our 15th anniversary. We have been engaged with the school systems in the area to help train young adults with disabilities. We get great young people that are coming that want to learn how to work in the restaurant business, and they go through a program here.
Keep it rolling. That's right.
Oh yeah?
That's it. Yes.
It's a really great opportunity to see students come in here very shy, not really talking to each other, and then see them by the end, they know exactly what to do. They go do their job, they interact and communicate together as a team to get the job done.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. We're ready for a good salad.
We're going to review rolling silverware. We're also going to review our cutting skills to make sure you all know how to use a knife safely.
They actually not only learn the skills, they have to do live internships. And so they will actually be involved with the patrons in resetting tables, filling water glasses, taking things to the kitchen, working the dishwasher.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
They integrate. They actually socially integrate with the patrons, and so that brings out a level of confidence. And probably the most important facet of the program, at least in my opinion, is how they perceive themselves. And they realize that there's a place for them and that they have skills to offer, and they may not have thought that way when they showed up.
Hope is doing a really impressive job with this right now. Very impressed. She's got it down.
This class was a great class this year. The confidence that you build in these classes means that you have something to offer.
For this graduation ceremony, I would like to highlight what makes each student different and strong, because differences should be celebrated.
These graduations remind us, and I mean the whole staff and everybody, of why we're here.
Myself and the other people that work here will never forget you, Josh. You have made us laugh. You have made us go, what? And you have impressed us with your fine customer service skills. You're excellent at customer service. This is why I'm giving you the most memorable award. Come on up, Josh. I'm giving Hope the sweetest award because she's inherently kind and good, and she will be missed here at Positive Live. Come on up, Hope.
See the families and you see how proud they are, and it makes us feel like, hey, this is the reason that we're here.
She did not need any help at all, and I just sat back and watched her work. That is why she wins the most independent award.